Paratroopers Max and Max's models here. This is being taken yesterday evening. And the new air conditioner's working fine, but it's still having trouble cooling the whole TARBIS down, even though technically it's big enough. It's supposed to be able to do 360 square feet, and this is like 340 inside. So we talked about the possibility of putting the old air conditioner in the other window and have two AC units in here if it can carry the electrical load. I mean, that's really more of a summertime thing. Florida, just, you know, it's 95 outside, and even though this place is insulated, it's still, you know, it just cooks in the sun. So, and they are just little window units. So I do have a circulating fan down here that helps. So now let's talk about the DH-10A, and I already shot some video on that, so I'll put that here next. All right, it's the evening. I came back out. You'll be seeing this in the morning. I'll just make this my morning video, but seem to have gotten everything straightened out, got the wheel back on. About 6 of the struts had bonded pretty straight. 2 of them didn't, so I've got them in there under rubber band pressure. They seem to be holding now. When they're done, I'll have to go back and put the struts that go to the engines in, and I really don't want to touch anything. I think as much as anything else, this problem was caused by trying to move a little too fast. I figured once that top center beam was secured that I would have some room to maneuver. I think if I had this to do all over again, I would put the center beam in with the engine struts only, let that harden, and then proceed from the inside struts out. But everything does seem to be in alignment now, and I'm going to get out of here before I damage something. And that's where we're at right now. So guys, we'll see you hopefully later today. Take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.